Remil attacks Sicario del Bebé es Dominique Rodriguez, edad de 28. Ataca al recoger al niño sicario y barbandulo.
Ran away. Come back here. Quick. Oh bad, he cornered me.
El sicario bebé esquines Dominique y ataque. Dominique defiende. El niño sicario es abajo.
Down. He can't be going down that in his suit.
Dominique atrapa al niño sicario y está a punto de llevarlo a la policía.
He's getting away. Hitman baby! Hitman baby!
¡Ayuda! ¡Ayuda! ¡Este hombre es un loco! El niño sicario dice: ¡Soy libre! El niño sicario dice:
Go.
así que
Action.
Gary morí. No, el niño sicario dice. El niño sicario huye. Dominique se enfrenta a él con un arma, pero el niño sicario lo agarra y lo lanza. No, el niño sicario dice.
And he shot me. Now my work here is done. Oh man, no, he's coming back. He's coming back. I was already dead. Well, it's filming right now. He's drunk. He's coming. What's this? A gun? I'm willing to defend myself. You hit on baby. He's like, what is that? Daniel. 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 That color. Okay.
Right now we're doing makeup for me.
Yeah.
Like for my wound. Do I see Lobo? Don't make it all like round. You should make it like one scar and stuff like that. There. There, I think I look good. Come here.
Yeah, he's good.
I'm good.
Let me see your hands.
Oh yeah.
Scratch your hands.
Maybe you should put a little in my hand. And just maybe a spark right here. Okay.
Is your mom gonna be mad, Kyle? You can just wash it off here.
Yeah. I just wash it off when I have a bath. Oops. Looks like blood.
Okay, and cut.
Okay. Right now we're adding prosthetics. We're gonna add black circles when it dries.
Close your eyes.
It's okay if it gets some on the eyebrows because zombies don't have eyebrows. You remember from in most zombie movies, they don't have eyebrows.
Like in The Walking Dead.
Yeah, and stuff like that. There. That hurt?
The TV show's pretty good.
Yeah. I'm
You're
sorry.
like rubbing my
I
eyes.
scratched you for a moment there. Oh, sorry. Again, I keep scratching you.
How come you don't knock on the door?
You need a lot of blood on you. You're a zombie. And plus, you need some here. Yeah.
It's not that seeable on the camera.
Yeah. Okay.
Get some more water and dip it in there.
A lot. Oh. We need more of this red and less of the orangey red.
Use some pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
There's a dot of pink. And so, it looks more pink. Pink blood on a zombie. That really makes your arm hair stand out.
I don't have arm hair.
Look!
I do. That's a lot of arm hair. I know. Let me zoom in on it. No.
Yes! Broadcast it to the world!
Yeah.
I'm gonna make your wound. There's the inside of your wound. But that makes it look like dripping blood. There. Now we need more purple. We need a lot.
I'm getting it on your shorts.
Okay. Need a lot. There. I think we're done with the zombie. Just need to let her dry. Come on, let's hang her on the clothesline.
Okay. And cut.